Hi, my name is Max McCarty from Norwalk, California, and I've suffered with peripheral neuropathy in my feet for several years, and I have stenosis of the spine and the narrowing. And as many of the patients here, I've gone through many different treatments from different doctors, and they told me there was nothing that could be done. But since I found this article in the newspaper about laser therapy, I called and made an appointment. I've had 6 treatments so far, and it's amazing the improvement that I've had. The burning is hardly there anymore. I can sleep at night. It was to the point when, before the treatment started, I couldn't even stand the weight of the sheets on my feet because it would burn so bad. I'd have to sleep with my feet outside. And my wife can tell you that I'm sleeping better because she used to watch me and my legs would jump with pain, and it would keep her up. So.
Yes.
Could you share about the improvements you've noticed
Oh,
in Max?
yes. It's my turn now.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, Max, I've watched him for the last at least 4 or 5 years go through all the hoops of the drugs and everything else. And the main thing I like is that I can sleep because he sleeps now. That's a plus.
Hey, so your insomnia was cured too.
Yes,
okay.
yes,
Yeah.
because at night I documented this, but cause he didn't like it. But I videotaped his feet jump.
Yeah, the restless leg syndrome.
I mean, just
yeah.
to the, and he would say, "Well, I don't." I said, "You're asleep," so it bothered me too. But he's so much happier now.